Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore how the point of sale module in Odoo 19 helps businesses manage restaurants, retail stores, and customer orders with speed and efficiency. It's lunchtime. Let's go to our store's restaurant and see how the team is doing over there. Our restaurant has 2 floors and a patio, so when a waiter takes an order, they just type in the table number instead of searching for it on the floor plan. Then they take the customer's order. To make it faster, we created several presets: dine-in, takeout, and delivery. These are handy as I can configure options such as price lists, fiscal positions, preparation capacity identification requirements, schedule times, and much more. Let's say someone calls to order takeout. I'll just take her order, choose the right preset, and add the day and time. In the case of a delivery, I just select an existing customer or create a new one with their delivery address. Those presets make me save loads of time, and I can create as many as I want. And talking about delivery, Odoo supports almost every platform, including Takeaway, Careem, Grubhub, Deliveroo, and many more. Let's go back to our waiter and his customers. The waiter selects course 1 for the starter and course 2 for the main dish. Once confirmed, the kitchen prepares the appetizer first while the main course remains on hold. When the guests are ready, our waiter simply clicks Fire Course 2. Instantly, the kitchen display updates and the main dish is ready to be cooked. As it's summer, we have several students working at the restaurant. We've given them minimal access rights so that they can't perform sensitive actions such as open POS sessions, perform cash-in or cash-out operations, apply discounts, and so on. Did you know Odoo prints and delivers your QR codes for free? I only had to create my table plan, click Get QR Codes, and then choose the design I wanted. Those QR codes lead to our mobile menu, where customers can order to dine in, takeout, or delivery. Our customer can see allergen information directly under each menu item. All we have to do is add the allergens to the product description, and they'll appear clearly on our menu. Our customer chooses a burger combo. They pick a cheeseburger, a Coke, and here they can select up to 2 sauces, one being free. With this new feature, you can specify how many items your client can choose in a specific combo, and if some of them are given for free. Now all the client has to do is pay online, choose their table, and the order is ready to be brought to her. And they can even download her receipt if needed. Someone calls to book a table. We'll just specify a name, date, time, and number of people, and the booking goes straight to the waiting list. Switching to Kanban, we can update the customer status once they arrive. Then we just have to drag and drop the customer and assign them to the correct table. When a walk-in customer arrives, we can instantly create a new order. If they want a table, we simply select Set Table and assign the right one. If they're at the bar, we can click Set Tab, enter their name, and start adding items. When it's time to pay, we follow the usual checkout process, and the receipt number automatically becomes the order reference in the orders list. Of course, our retail store runs on Odoo Point of Sale too. These quick payment buttons allow me to process any payment in just one click. And that's how the point of sale system in Odoo 19 helps restaurants and retail stores deliver faster service, streamline operations, and improve customer experience. If you're planning to implement or customize the POS system for your business, O2B Technologies can help you deploy a fully integrated solution tailored to your operations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials and ERP insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.